In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch in Outlook New versus Classic. If you're working in the new Outlook experience and want to return to the familiar Classic view, the process is quick and reversible. Start by opening the new Outlook on your computer. You'll know you're in the new experience if the interface looks cleaner, with a simplified ribbon and a modern left sidebar for Mail, Calendar, People, and To Do. Make sure the Outlook window is active and fully visible on your desktop, because the control you need lives right in the app window. Look toward the top right corner of the new Outlook window. You should see a small toggle switch labeled New Outlook. It typically sits near your profile picture and the window controls. This switch determines which interface Outlook uses. When the switch is on, you're in the new experience. To go back to Classic, click the toggle to turn it off. As soon as you turn the toggle off, a pop-up will appear. This dialog may ask why you're switching or present a short list of options. Choose the one from the list that best matches your situation, then click Continue. This step helps Outlook understand your preference. It doesn't change any of your data or accounts, and you can always switch again later. After you click Continue, Outlook will close itself and automatically reopen in the Classic version. Give it a few moments to restart. When it comes back, you'll see the Classic ribbon, menus, and layout you're used to. All of your emails, calendars, folders, signatures, and accounts remain intact. Because the app restarts as part of this switch, expect any open draft windows or pop-out message windows to close as well. If you had notifications or reminders showing, they'll reappear once Classic finishes loading. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. If you don't see the new Outlook toggle, it may be hidden by your window size or managed by your organization settings. Try maximizing the window to reveal it, or check with your admin if it isn't available. The very first launch of Classic after switching might take a little longer as Outlook reloads your mailbox and settings. That's normal and should only happen once. And that's it. You've switched from the new Outlook to the Classic version, and you can repeat the same steps anytime you want to move back. Thanks for watching.